B&M. I need custard. I don't even remember that I need custard. I just saw it now. So it's £1, I think. So I'm getting 2 of them. I just remember that I needed custard. And you won't believe that I'm just coming out of what do you call it now? I'm just coming out of Aldi. Just coming out of Aldi. I forgot I needed custard. But this is much cheaper anyway. It's £1. So I'm inside B&M. I want to get some few things here. I want to get my cream and some other few household stuff. Just thought I would take you guys and bring you guys with me. Okay. Yeah. They still don't have that perfume that I normally get. So I want to get some hand wash. This hand wash, they are pretty big for £1. I think I should get these ones instead of getting the ones in Asda, because I need to go and pick 1 or 2 things from Asda as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what I get when I get home. So these are £1. I think I should get this one as well. So I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Yeah, but let me just show you guys a bit of what I'm getting. I don't know if I should get one more of these. I don't know if I should get this one or if I should get this one. They are bigger though, but they are not that cheap. They are £1 for one. That's another one. So if I get 3, that will be £3. But they are bigger than these other smaller ones. Like the one they have in Asda, they are 70 something p. Maybe I'll get 2 of those when I get to Asda as well. So that I don't spend so much. Now I'm looking for my cream and I'm just hoping that they have my cream. I can find some cushion cover. This bed sheet. So I think I need cushion covers. I don't think I want bed sheet. Oh, this one is nice though. This one is pretty. I like this one as well. It's nice. But I'm not sure. Oh, I like this cushion. This cushion is fine. But I need a cushion cover, not cushion. They really have some nice beddings and quilts in B&M. Look at this one. This one is so pretty. But it's £30, king size. Very pretty bed sheet. But I'm looking for it's a bed linen. I'm looking for I think I might have to get the one I saw in I think I might have to get the ones I saw in Amazon, because I'm looking for cushion covers and I like these Decor wall decors. They are always very pretty. If we can find our cushion covers, Maybe I'll just get cushion rather. I need 2 small cushions though. These are cottons. See, I'm looking for this cushion cover, this particular color of cushion cover, but this one comes with the cushion, and in true honesty I really don't want the cushion. I just want the cover. I like this throw. Look at this throw, guys. This throw is very pretty. Today is a very good day. There's no copyright music in B&M, but at the same time I'm looking for 2 smaller cushions. And you guys, you won't believe that I actually find 2 smaller cushions in Aldi, and I didn't get it because I was thinking when I come here I'm going to find it, but unfortunately I don't think so. I can't find smaller ones. And also I can't find my cream, so I have to get my cream. I have to get my cream in Asda. Hopefully they have it in Asda. Okay, let's see what else they have down here. I like these their cushions, so but the pink blush pink. I don't think. Okay, look at the smaller cushions up there, guys. I don't mind that color, but those ones are not even small. They are not small like what I'm looking for. Oh, I would have picked the ones in Aldi, you know. This is nice, cute. Today is a quiet day in B&M. I think I'm just going to get my toaster. I was thinking of buying one of these, but I think they are doing sales, so the whole place is looking very scanty today. These are not bad. I don't know what they are. I think they are trays. So I'm in B&M, guys, but today is pretty scanty. Yeah, I'm trying to look for things to use to decorate my new table. I'm using my phone to vlog, so it's quite, the quality is off point. Yeah, guys, so I'm looking for things to get, but it's quite scanty today, and I can't find my cushion, I can't find my cream. Okay, so I'm going to have to go to Asda. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came out of B&M. As I was talking to you guys, there was no copyright music there today. The place was a bit scanty today, guys. I don't know. I was asking the lady. She said that because they don't have enough staff and because of the weather, it's very windy. Yesterday was raining almost all throughout. Okay, and then today is so windy. So she said it's because they are short of staff and nobody to put the stuff out, and the weather. Okay, yeah. So I didn't find most of the stuff I went to get. I get just few stuff. They are in the bag here. My camera, this is my phone. This is my Samsung phone I'm using to vlog. I didn't take my camera out. I was going to take it out, but somehow I just thought, oh, let me just use my phone rather. You know, so anyway. Yeah, so anyhow, when I get home, I'll show you guys a little... Sorry, guys. I'll show you guys a little stuff I bought. I'm having a bit of a tooth problem. My tooth It's hurting because I used to like crunchy eyes, you know, eyes block. I used to like eyes a lot, so I think the thing has affected my tooth. Although I've seen my dentist and he said the teeth is cracked, but I think the tooth is wobbly as well. So I'm having a bit of tooth problem up there. Sometimes it's hurtful, sometimes it doesn't hurt me. So yeah guys, so when I get home I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go Asda, but I don't think I'm going to be putting Asda vlog in this vlog, because I'm trying not to make my videos too more than 20 something minutes long. I don't want them to enter into 30 minutes vlog, if possible even less than 20 minutes. But anyhow, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are fine. Hope your family is fine. Your families are all fine. I don't know if I speak that English correct. Yeah guys, so when I get home I'll show you guys this. I just thought I would just take you guys with me to B&M. I thought maybe they will have some new stuff, but all the new stuff they haven't bring them out. They are doing sales on some of the things though. So I'm going to go Asda now, but as I say, it's not going to be on this video. So I'm going to show you guys very little stuff. Can you see when I get home? Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it. If you like simple easy vlog like this, simple lifestyle, simple vlog like this, please consider subscribing, and when you do, turn on your notification bell. Okay guys, and I'll see you guys when I get home. All right guys, so let me show you guys the hair first. Okay, so I went to get this passion twist because Precious said she wanted passion twist. So I went to get this passion twist hair. Okay, it's $7.99 for one. So I got two. Hopefully two will be enough for her hair. I hope so. And then I got this pre-stretch for braid. Okay, yeah. So this one got 10. This is what I normally get to make their hair, single plait braid. So this one is already pre-stretched. This is 25 inches. It's quite long. Okay, so there's 10 in there. And then I got some Vaseline for them as well. Jelly, baby jelly, or you call it baby jelly. That's what they normally use. Okay, so and then I went to the fancy shop. As I say, they sell a lot of pretty things there. I got some cushion covers. You know, show the cushion cover. So I got some cushion covers for my cushion. I got 4. You guys, you won't believe one of these is £7. One is £7. To me, I feel it's a bit expensive, but anyhow, it's pretty as well. It's like silk. So one is £7. So I got 4. It's $6.99 apparently. $6.99. So 4 is £28 or £28 something. Okay, so that's what I got from the fancy shop. They sell a lot of pretty things in that place. So we also got this, what I got from B&M. Jiro, bring the camera here. My daughter is helping me with the camera. So I got this plate rack. I'm really hoping to fit into my cupboard. It's £4, as you guys can see. And then I got my daughter headphone because she broke the one she has in B&M. They are doing a bit of sales in B&M. B&M was a bit empty today though. You guys already seen it. So I got this headphone for her. She's the one holding the camera at the moment. This was £12. And then I got the bathing soap, which I showed you guys already earlier on. They are £1. Okay, yeah, they are £1 each. And then I got this. This was also £1. And then I got this one, £1 as well. Custard, I got 2 of them, £1 as well. Okay guys, so that's all I got.